Special mackerel fry recipe. Just need 15 minutes. Very delicious fish fry recipe. Let's move to the video. In a grinder, take 4 garlics, half-inch size ginger, 6 shallots, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon pepper powder, 2 red chilli, 2 tablespoon Kasmiri Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon Coriander Powder, half teaspoon Turmeric Powder, some curry leaves, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Now add 1 tablespoon water and grind it nicely like this. In a plate, take 450 grams of cleaned mackerel. Coat the grinded mixture onto it very nicely.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Keep it marinated for at least 30 minutes. If you are keeping it marinated more than 30 minutes, please keep it inside the refrigerator. After 30 minutes, we can fry it. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil. Then place the marinated mackerel onto it. Fry it on medium flame for both sides. After it turns to crispy, we can switch off the flame. Our special mackerel fry recipe is ready. Try it along with rice, or you can have it alone. It's so delicious.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.